Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a copy so you can revert if needed. Next, highlight the exact range you want to clean, include headers to preserve labels. Once selected, go to the Data tab and open Remove Duplicates. You need to choose the columns that define a duplicate. Make sure to check only the fields that matter, because Excel treats rows as duplicates only when all chosen columns match. After you click OK, Excel will report how many duplicates were removed. Once done with the basic removal, preview potential duplicates using conditional formatting. It's safer and visual. If duplicates are based on several fields, create a helper column that concatenates values with a delimiter, then run Remove Duplicates on that helper. For non-destructive workflows, use Unique in Excel 365 to generate a deduplicated list, or build a pivot table to aggregate unique combinations. Make sure to double-check sorting and hidden rows before finalizing, and you finish by validating the clean data. Compare original and new row counts and spot-check records to confirm correct removals. If something looks wrong, use Undo or reopen your backup copy. Before deleting again, normalize data, use Trim to remove extra spaces, upper or lower to standardize case, and Clean or Substitute to remove non-printing characters. These fixes prevent false mismatches. If duplicates persist, re-evaluate which columns define uniqueness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.